This is not a drill. Actually, it's all about drills. Specifically, a drywall screw gun versus an impact driver. High speeds and low torque versus high levels of torque, and the difference they can make while installing drywall. Anyways, you know the drill. I'm Danielle, and welcome to De-cor Homes.
When drilling in drywall, one of the most important things is the gun that you're using to put in, right? You wouldn't use a screwdriver to put in a drywall screw. So for me, I like to use the lightest possible gun, right? So when I first started, I was using my impact. I take my impact and I push it in, and I can get it pretty decent. You see the indent is a little bit in there, but then I upgraded and I got myself a drywall gun. This drywall gun, you could actually set the depth. So when you screw it in, you just push in, and it stops automatically. So myself, I have 10 years experience, okay? 10, 12 years experience. When I screw in, I can stop when I want to. I go light, you know? But when I see inexperienced people work, they always do this. And they're just going all the way through. They're leaving a giant hole. This is a nightmare to mud because you fill it in, it pours out, fill it in, it pours out, right? Drywall gun, doesn't matter how much experience you have, you push in, it goes maximum speed. Like you could have it so that it's even less shallow than that. Like look at this, imagine filling in that hole. So, get yourself a drywall gun. It'll save you tons of time, and if you're an amateur, you'll look like an expert, no doubt. Thanks for watching.
You made it to the end. Make sure you check out our other videos and subscribe.